If you're seeing the message, your connection is not private in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing safely. This error is usually caused by something simple like incorrect date and time settings, corrupted browser cache, or even a network issue. So before you panic, try these methods in order because one of them usually solves the problem fast. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. The first and most common fix is to check your date and time settings. Chrome relies on your system clock to verify website security certificates, and if your clock is wrong, Chrome may think a website is unsafe even when it's perfectly fine. To do this on Windows, right-click the clock on your taskbar, then click Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically. If that option is already on, you can also turn it off and back on again to refresh the time sync. Once that's done, close Chrome completely and reopen it, then try the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem right away. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to try is clearing your cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores old website data that can become corrupted or conflict with security certificates. To clear it, open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. You can leave browsing history unchecked if you want, but for this fix, those two options are the most important. Then click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, restart Chrome and reload the website. This often solves certificate and privacy errors caused by outdated browser data. Another useful fix is to try a different network. Sometimes public Wi-Fi, school networks, office networks, or even certain internet providers can trigger certificate warnings because of filtering, security software, or network restrictions. If possible, switch to a mobile hotspot or connect to a different Wi-Fi network and test the site again. If the error disappears on another network, then the issue is probably with your current connection rather than Chrome itself. That means you may need to check your router, firewall, VPN, or network security settings. Now, if none of those methods work, try restarting both Chrome and your PC. Temporary browser glitches or background processes can sometimes cause SSL and privacy errors to appear even when everything is set up correctly. First, close Chrome completely. Make sure it's not just minimized, fully exit the browser, then restart your computer. After the restart, open Chrome again and visit the website one more time. A simple reboot can clear out temporary issues and refresh your system's network and security settings. If you've gone through all of these steps, you should be able to fix the connection is not private error in most cases. Start with the date and time, then clear your cache and cookies, then try another network, and finally restart Chrome and your PC. That step-by-step order gives you the best chance of solving the issue quickly without doing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll help you work through it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.